Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to disable autocorrect in your iPhone. So go to the settings of your iPhone and scroll down and tap on the general option that you see. Now again scroll down till you find the keyboard option, which is right here. Tap on the keyboard option. Now again under the English section you can see lot of things are here. Now second option is auto correction. Okay, you can simply turn it off. Now apart from the auto correction, you need to also turn off the predictive text. Okay, just like this. Then you need to also do the check spelling. Okay, then smart punctuation and few other things. Okay, so that autocorrect will be fully off. Okay, otherwise suppose you are doing the spelling thing and you are typing in your native language, it will automatically correct it to some other English language or some other language which is correct. Okay, so you need to simply turn those things off as well. Okay, in order to fully disable the autocorrect option. So once you are done, it is automatically saved. You don't need to do anything. So this is how easily you can do it. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel.